cookies, they're called oat bites, wholesome oat bites, because they're a little bite, they're a little treat, and they're wholesome. So oats in the bowl. We're gonna put all the dry ingredients in the bowl first. This is so easy to make, guys, and it's so fun with the kids. You can have an oat, yep, definitely. Coconut, shredded coconut, do you wanna put that in there? Shredded coconut.
Me put that in?
And in here, I've got oat flour and baking powder.
Me?
Yep, can you put that in there? Oat flour and baking powder. Yep, and we'll put the dry ingredients in first, darling, and then we'll put those in. And we've got in here, we've got orange zest, some orange zest, some salt, and cinnamon for flavour. Do you want to put that in there? Might be a bit stuck. Can we check? Yeah, see how there's a bit in there stuck. There we go. Let's mix that through a little bit first, okay? Oh, oops, sorry.
Just saying my brother loves sultanas.
He does. It's one of his favourites, isn't it? Okay, so you put the sultanas in there. Can you mix them through? You can use raisins or sultanas. And then we'll put the wet ingredients, which is just some apple sauce, or you can use mashed banana, so the exact amount of mashed banana instead of applesauce. The mashed banana will make it a lot more sweeter. And we've got some maple syrup. Can you mix these through? Oh, it's a bit stuck. Sorry, sweetie, it was stuck. Okay, mix it all through, mix it all through. Yum, yum, yum. Yum.
Me mix it around. Chocolate chip.
Oh, chocolate. Can you throw the chocolate chip? I've got some...
Chocolate is not my favourite. My favourite is actually cashews.
Okay, cashews is, it's true.
Chocolate too.
Okay, so we're nearly there. I think it's nearly mixed through. Now I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. You don't have to use an ice cream scoop. You could just use your fingers.
I want to do it.
What to do is I'm going to use...
with your hands.
Yep. So they're going to be like little bite sizes like that. So we're nearly done here, and then we'll put it in the oven, and we will come back to show you what these little bites look like. So our oat bites are ready, and they look awesome. And Moses is already eating his. Do you want yours?
Yeah.
So just be careful, it's a bit warm. Now, I let them sit once they come out of the oven just for a few minutes, and then I'll put them on a drying rack. Here we go. And these really, really look good. And they're just a touch soft in the middle, and they've browned very nicely. So this is a great little snack for your kids for their lunchbox, or you can have it just at home with after lunch. They can have one of these snacks. How about that? That's good. Well, we'll see you next time with some more recipes.